Today, I'm going to talk about 5 must-have social media tools that you need when you're running a business, when you're creating content, and for you to have a more professional online presence.
That's good.
Hi everyone, my name is Victoria and welcome to another episode of Tuesday Tips with Victoria. Now, finding the right social media tools doesn't have to be hard, and they don't have to be hard to learn. In fact, with the tools that I'm going to mention, you're going to have a really small learning curve to overcome in order for you to be a pro at it. So, let's get started. Okay, the first social media tool that you must have, whether you're a business owner, you're a social media manager, you're just starting your business, it does not matter. This tool is life-changing. I've been using it for almost 3 years, and I can tell you that it's helped me with most of my online content. Canva, it's amazing. It's an online graphics and editing tool that allows you to create graphics, edit things. You can add your logo, you can add pictures, you can even go as far as menus, lookbooks, catalogs, presentations. Canva is the tool, is the ultimate online graphic tool. It's free and there's a paid account, but the free account gives you just enough flexibility to do what you need to do. I personally have a paid account because as a content marketer, I need a little bit more tools than is offered in the free account. So guys, Canva, if you want to learn how to make your own graphics or make a little bit of changes without having to reach out to a graphic designer every single time, if you want to resize your pictures to an IG story or an Instagram story, Canva is a tool, and it has thousands and thousands of templates that you can pick and choose from: text, graphics, elements, PNGs. Trust me, Canva is the online graphic tool that makes everything easy. Number 2, Hootsuite, another personal favorite. Actually, all the items in this video are my personal favorite. But anyway, Hootsuite. Hootsuite is a social media scheduling or management tool. So, if you're like me, where you like to schedule out your content ahead of time, you can go in Hootsuite, you can schedule the day, the time, and which social media platform you would like to publish that content on. And the best part is Hootsuite offers auto posting, where you can just put in your content, set up auto posting with Facebook and Instagram, and Hootsuite will publish the content for you. So you don't have to go back and forth in the app to try and schedule, then take the content and post. Instead, Hootsuite does the work for you. And for me, I like to create my content probably a month and a half ahead of time, and sometimes I might want to make some changes along the way. I use Hootsuite to schedule everything, and Hootsuite also provides you with the best time to publish your content if you have a paid account. There is a free account where you can add up to 3 profiles, so that could be Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and if you have multiple profiles like YouTube, Pinterest, WordPress, Hootsuite can allocate for that, but that's in paid account. But Hootsuite, you want to learn how to manage and you want a tool to auto post for you so you don't have to keep checking back and forth or posting every day, have a Hootsuite do the work for you. It will cut your time in half, and you can spend less time going back and forth on social media and more time working on your business. Number 3, Pixels. Now, Pixels is actually a free stock image platform. So you can download for free images that you can use on your social media page, on your website, for discount pages, for discount graphics, whatever it is that you'd like to use, all for free, and they're all copyright free. That means there's no one that you have to pay to use it, or if you decide to use it, there's no one further along the road saying, hey, that's my picture, pay me for it. No, none of that. If you'd like to find free stock images, then go to Pixels. Pixels is the perfect place. Trust me. And there's a lot of diversity, a lot of different photographs that you can choose from, so you have plenty of choice. And Pixels also offers free stock video. So if you want video as well, Pixels is your place to be. Number 4, Lightroom. You knew this was gonna come up. For all those people who are used to social media tools, Lightroom is one one of the essentials. What it initially does is that it helps you to edit your pictures just as you would if you were using Photoshop, but there's a mobile version that's really handy for people who want to learn to do it for themselves. So instead of having pictures and then having to send them over to a friend to edit for you, or sending it to a graphic designer or sending it to a photographer, you can take your pictures yourself and edit them. And the best thing about Lightroom is that it actually comes with in-app tutorials. So they teach you how to use the tools to make your pictures better, right? So if you want to learn how to edit properly, you want to learn how to fix your images for yourself, Lightroom by Adobe, that's a really good app to have on your phone. And it takes a while to learn, if I'm being honest, it takes a while to learn, but once you've mastered a few tricks, everything else starts to flow in place, and the learning curve is not as high as it would feel. So it's definitely something to get used to, definitely something to invest in, and definitely something to use for your own personal pictures as well, not just for business. And number 5, last but definitely not least, is InShot. InShot has been around for a really long time. It's a video editing and recording app. Now, if you are not someone who's familiar with Premiere Pro, like me, I use Premiere Pro to edit my videos, whether it's for social media or for YouTube. But for those who are not video editing savvy, InShot is the perfect tool. It helps you to resize videos for whatever social media platform you're going to post on. It also helps you to add music. You can also cut videos shorter or make them longer, or piece together a compilation of different videos. And best thing is you can choose which quality you'd like to download that video in. So you can choose HD, you can choose a lower quality, you have that control. It is, as I said, it is a little limiting if you're an experienced video editor, but for somebody who is not and you want something quick and easy, you want to go in, go out, have your video, InShot is a really good app to have, and it's free. You can upgrade to a paid account if you want to remove that InShot watermark. But if that doesn't really bother you, go ahead, test it out, try it. This is a great tool to invest in if you're doing videos, if you're posting on IGTV, if you're trying to convert a YouTube video into an Instagram size video so you can repost it. InShot is that app. Now, there are tons of social media apps out there, and based on what you're doing, you might need a specific type of tool. Now, if I've listed these 5 things and it may not have applied to what you're searching for, don't worry. I have an article with 20 plus social media marketing tools for YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, video, pictures, graphic, anything that you can think of. I've written it down for you. I have free and paid tools. If you want to see that article, go ahead. If you're on YouTube, it's in my description. IGTV, it's in my bio. You can go through, select, test, try, buy any of these tools, and I'm sure all the tools that I've listed, they are there to help you get better. They're there to help you grow your business. They're there to help you dot your I's, cross your T's, so you can start growing and maintaining that professional level of content that you need to represent your online presence. Okay guys, there you have it. 5 social media tools that you must have in your marketing arsenal. Now, if you'd like to know about the 20 plus social media tools I have for IG stories, YouTube, vlogs, and anything on social media, if you're on YouTube, go in my description, click the link, it's all there. If you're on IGTV, it's in my bio. Click the link and I'll send you it directly to that blog post. You can take your time to read through. Some of these tools are free and some of these tools are paid. I've mentioned it so that you guys can decide which tools you want to go with for now and which tools you like to go with for later. And I'll see you guys next week, Tuesday.
That's good.